Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
And like in your privately, I send you a question about like how to find the square root. So, like, can you explain me like whenever you are free?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Good
How are
evening,
you?
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, I posted a doubt in the Max Doubts group.
Yes, I have seen and I have replied that we will do in our class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I didn't join the Sunday class, so I was unable to do the homework. So can you explain me?
Yes, I was explaining that only yesterday, but my network was not working. So we were on linear pair,
Actually,
right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I also sent one doubt to your personal mobile. So can we just like after
Yes,
like
I will
whenever
clear
you're
Siddhant. Siddhant, don't worry, I will clear.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
Square root you want to ask, right?
yes,
Yes, I will clear, beta. Don't worry. See, beta, what is your linear pair? Linear pair means when angles formed on straight line, then their sum should be equal to 180. That is called the linear pair. So see, we were doing yesterday this linear pair, right? So this is the adjoining where non-common rays are two opposite rays. So angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles, and OA and OB. OA and OB are the non-common arms, and these are the two opposite rays. So AOB is a straight line, and we know that on straight line always makes an angle of 180 degree, right,
degrees.
children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
their sum should be equal to 180. So those who have not written this, note it down it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
All have written this. May I proceed to next? Children, kindly show me your thumbs up.
No, ma'am. I didn't draw.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, done. Ma'am.
Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Afan, written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, there are two important results when the sum of angles formed on one side of straight line. See, there is a straight line AOB, right? See, this is a straight line and the angle form on one side. It means this. So, the sum of all the angles form on this side will be 180 degree. So, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle. So, their sum should be equal to 180. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if angles will formed on this lower side, then also their sum should be equal to 180. Clear? And second result is, if at a given point, if angles are formed, then their sum should be equal to 360 degree. Because we know that complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Or you can say that at the center point in a circle, the complete angle is there and its measurement is equal to 360 degree. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this first. Sorry. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, children. Suppose if in any question we have to find in the given figure AB is a straight line and angle BOC is equal to 65 degree, then find the measure of angle AOC. Fine. So let's draw a figure. This is the figure, beta. This angle is 65 degree. So this is the figure. So children, see, angle AOC and angle BOC. These two angles are adjacent angles or not? Right, children?
Yes,
Can't
ma'am.
leave it on unmute. Yeah. So they are adjacent angles. And one more thing, the rays OA and OB are in opposite direction. So it means they are forming linear pair.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, beta?
And so we need
So
to
what you will
subtract.
write? Yes. So you will write angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal
Equals
to
to
180.
180 degrees.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And here you will write linear pair. Clear? Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have to find measurement of angle AOC. And angle BOC measurement is given how much?
65
65
degrees.
degree
Degree.
is equal to 180. So now you will
So
transpose the
angle
65.
angle AFC is equals to 180 minus 65
180
degrees.
degree minus 65 degree. Very
Ma'am, so
good.
answer is 115 degree.
Yes, 115 degree. So all have understood how we will
Yes.
find this?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay,
Ma'am,
please note this.
Ma'am, yesterday I was traveling. So could you explain me yesterday?
Yes,
What you
beta,
were
Hamza,
learning?
see here. Actually, we were doing linear pair. Linear pair means when, see, angle AOC and angle BOC, these are adjacent angles. Why? Because they are having common vertex O. Clear, beta? And this
Yes,
AOB line is a straight line, right? The OA, this OA ray and this OB ray, they are making a straight line when they are combining. So we know that on straight line, the angle is a 180 degree. Right, Hamza?
Yes, ma'am.
So the sum of these two angles, this angle AOC and angle BOC should be equal to 180 degree. And one angle is given 65. So you can subtract 65 from 180, you will get another angle 115 degree. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this, children. Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have to do our next topic also, properties of parallel lines. Rishit, you have asked that question from this topic. Properties of
Yes,
parallel
sir.
lines.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like it was in my textbook, so I didn't got it.
Okay, okay. No, don't worry. I am going to explain. Okay. First of all, properties.
Okay.
That's why I have not sent the solution in the group. Because we have not done this topic in the class.
Okay.
I was thinking that once I will explain in the class, then easily you can understand.
Okay.
Done, children?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, Rohini.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm still writing.
Okay, beta, noted down.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, all have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you seen the figure which I have drawn just recently?
Yes.
So in this, you have to find the value of x.
Could you scroll
It is
little
just
up?
same as the earlier one.
Ma'am, could you scroll little up?
Up or down?
Up.
Fine.
Ma'am, I'm writing the solution, the answer.
Ma'am, like in this case, the equation is like 3x plus 5 plus 2x minus 25 is equal to 180.
Yes, because angle AOC and angle BOC are again linear pair, right, beta? So you will
Yes.
write as angle AOC and angle BOC are linear pairs, right, beta? So therefore, their sum should be equal to 180 degree. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So angle AOC is 3x plus 5 degree plus 2x minus 25 degree is equal to 180 degree. Right? So now, like that, add the like terms. 3x plus 2x will be 5x minus 25 plus 5. It will be minus 20 degree. Right, beta?
Yes,
Speak
ma'am.
up, children.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now we will transpose this. So it will be 5x is equal to 180 degree plus 20 degree. So 5x is equal to 200. Then value of x will be 200 by 5. So 40 degree. This is the answer. So have you understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Basically you combine like terms together
Yes.
and then you did
So
the opposite.
3x and 2x are like terms and 25 and 5 are like terms. Okay. So if alternate signs are given, then you need to subtract. And if same sign is given, then you need to add. Right, children? These are the properties of simple equations. Have you remembered?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like 3x plus 5 plus 2x minus 25 is equal to 5 plus 5x minus 25, no?
Minus 20, beta. Minus 25 plus 5. So you will subtract now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Note it down it fast, children. So I guess you all have understood about the concept of linear pair, right? Speak up, children. All have understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Rohini, Siddhant, Rishit,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shreyans, Soumya.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Yes.
Yeah, beta. See, beta, here we have two angles, angle AOB and angle BOC, okay? And these two are adjacent angles and they are lying on the same straight line. Now see, one important result we have discussed right away now, that when the angles drawn on the same side of the straight line, then their sum should be equal to 180. So these angles are at the same line only, na, same side. So their sum should be equal to 180. So we have written that's why 3x plus 5 degree plus 2x minus 25 degree is equal to 180. Now we are going to add like term 3 plus 2, it will be 5x and minus 25 plus 5 will be minus 20 degree. Clear, beta? Now we are transposing the two, this is to right hand side. So 5x is equal to 200 and value of x is equal to 200 divided by 5. So value of x will be 40 degree. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain once again? I did not understand.
Which one, beta? This?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, Hamza. See, AOB is a straight line. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So on straight line, the angle is 180 degree always.
Yes, ma'am.
So here on this straight line, two angles form. One is 3x plus 5 degree and another is 2x minus 25. So it means the sum of these angles should be equal to 180 or not.
Yes, ma'am.
So see this thing I have written only. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree and 3x plus 5 degree plus 2x minus 25 degree is equal to 180. Clear? So now 3 plus 2x will be equal to 5x minus 25 plus 5 will be minus 20 is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 180 plus 20 because when you are going to transpose minus 20 to right hand side, it will get sign plus. So it will be 200. Then divide this 200 by 5. It will be 40. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
All have written, children. May I proceed to next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Kindly show me your thumbs up. Siddhant, Rohini, Rishit, Hamza,
Done.
Shreyansh. Okay. Now next is properties of parallel lines. So children, first of all, tell me what are parallel lines?
Lines which do not intersect each other.
Which do not intersect any point and just like they are straight lines.
Lines which do not
They're in
intersect each
opposite
other.
Yes, the lines which never intersect, right?
Yeah.
Or they do not meet at any point, right, beta? So
It
see,
should
parallel,
also be straight, right? Like it cannot be.
yes. So see, beta. So properties of parallel line, when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, this will act as a transversal, let L. Okay? And this be M and N. These two are parallel lines. So we know that lines can be extended in both the directions, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then, so see beta, we are having two intersecting points, right?
Yes.
Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
By a transversal, they form angles, right? And they will be forming 8 angles. See how? Angle 1, let this be angle 2, this be angle 3, this be 4. Now this be 5, this be 6, this be 7, and this will be 8. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes.
Okay. So now, see beta, these are the properties. So they are forming when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. They form angles. So how many angles they will form? 8
Eight.
angles. Right? 8. Yes. So children, first of all, you can learn alternate interior angle. Interior word means inside. So the angles form inside the lines.
Mom, you are muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, see here. So you can learn by crossing this by x. Okay. So angle 4 will be equal to angle 8. So these are alternate interior angles. These are
is it like we need to remember, or it's like something like we
yes,
can prove?
yes. So you can write this by putting a cross right down inside. So angle
So
4 will be equal.
I'm saying that can we prove like how it is equal to like
Yes, we can prove also. I
okay,
will show you the proof. Okay.
okay.
Don't worry. So children, angle 4 will be equal to angle 8 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 5. So all have understood this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are the alternate interior angles because they lie inside the parallel lines. So there should be alternate exterior angles also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So alternate exterior angles will be, exterior means outside. So this and this, outside means this. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 7. Clear, beta? And angle 2 will be equal to
Yes.
angle 6. All have understood this thing?
Ma'am, there will be corresponding angles also, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So kindly note it down it fast, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of a transversal?
Transversal means a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay,
can you
beta?
repeat? Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
Yeah, beta, see. Transversal is a line which intersects two or more lines. Okay? At distinct points.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Please note it down it fast.
Done, ma'am.
All have written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the meaning of
Ma'am,
transversal
one
again?
second.
Beta,
Ma'am,
transversal means a line which intersects two or more lines. Okay? And especially
Okay.
parallel lines. Clear, beta? So L is the transversal because it intersects parallel lines M and N at 2 points. If there will be 3 lines, then it will intersect at 3 points. Clear, beta?
এটা তো 100% চলে তার নাম নওয়ানি
Yes, Apar?
দেখেন
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. All have done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, so like
Can we throw your thumbs up?
alternative interior angles means like the angles which are within the two parallel lines, right?
Interior means yes, inside the parallel lines, and exterior means outside area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly show me a thumbs up, children, if you all have written. Advika? Afan?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Afan?
Done, done.
Hamza? Rishit? Rohini? Soumya? Shreyansh? Divesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Sritej?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next is, see beta, next terms comes corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means, see, corresponding angle means this angle 1 and this angle 5. Clear beta? The angles form upper side of parallel lines. Clear? Corresponding angles means angles formed at above side of the line. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 5 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 8. Clear beta this thing?
Yes,
And now consider below side. So angle 4 will
ma'am.
be
So
equal to angle
angle 4
6.
will be equal to angle 6 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 7.
Angle 7, yes. Very good. So now all have understood about this?
Ma'am, like the measures of these angles are going to be same.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, so like
We will do
angle 1 is also equal to angle 7. So it is also equal to angle 5.
angle 5. No, beta. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 5 only. It will not equal to angle 7.
But
Okay?
like when we are seeing it alternative exterior angles, it is showing that angle 1 is also
Angle
equal
1
to
is
angle
equal to,
7.
yes. I was thinking that you are asking about the corresponding. Yes, beta. Then angle 1 will be equal to angle 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, and also angle 5 and angle 7 are vertically opposite angles. So that's
Yes, beta. Yes. This thing also I will write. Just give me a minute, beta.
Ma'am, so with
We
one
are doing
measure of
side by
one
side.
angle, we can find the measure of all the angles.
Yes. If we have got only one angle, then we can find all the angles. All remaining 7 angles. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm like in most cases, like when we see like if you take here,
Alternate interior angles.
I'm
Right?
like 8. If the value of 8 is given, then if 8 is x, then 2 will also be x, 4 will
Yes.
also be x.
Yes. Then angle 4 will be x. And if angle 4 is
And
x,
then
then angle 8 will be x. Right? And then
angle
angle
4
6
and
will be
angle
x.
2 should be equal, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it like can angle 4 and 2 be equal?
4 and 2. Yes. These are the vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am, we can also say that angle 5 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree.
Yes. This thing we are going to do, beta. Just have patience. So all have written this.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we have done this alternate interior corresponding angles, and then angle 2 will be equal to angle 4, angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, angle 6 will be equal to angle 8, and angle 5 will be equal to angle 7. These are the vertically opposite angles. Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Ma'am,
one more thing.
what is the difference between corresponding angles and vertically opposite angles?
See, beta, corresponding angles are those angles which form upper side of the parallel line. And vertically opposite angle, when two lines intersect at a point, then they form vertical. This angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles. So here words comes interior. So it means, see, angle 4 and angle 5. So the angles formed on the same side of transversal. It means angle 4 plus angle 5 their sum should be equal to 180. These are the consecutive interior angle. And angle 3 plus angle 8 sum should also be equal to 180. Clear, beta?
Yes.
All have understood?
Yes, we can also write as interior angles on same side of transversal.
Yes, yes, yes. Please note this fast. Hurry up.
Ma'am,
Because
can you
I'm
explain
having
once again that consecutive,
consecutive interior means the angles come just after that angle. So angle 4, angle 5 comes just after 4 now. And angle 8 comes just after 3. Tell me.
Ma'am?
Yes.
So like the measures of angle 4 and angle 5
Should be
when
equal to
the sum
180.
is equal. Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Reshit.
Yes, sir.
You were asking about square root, right? Suppose if you have to find the square root of 64. This is the symbol for
I
finding
didn't
square
ask.
root.
It's me.
Okay, Siddhant, see beta. If we have to find square root of 64. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the symbol of 64. You will study in grade 8. And then find the factors of 64. So we have got 8 8s.
Yes, ma'am.
So now make pairs into. So we have got two digits, two factors of 64. So it will come outside. So it will be 8 answer.
No,
Clear,
like I
beta?
was asking the square root for bigger numbers because like in Olympiad exams, like for triangles chapter, the about Pythagoras theorem, like c square equals to a square plus b square, there
Can
we
you
need to
send
find
me
the
that
square
question?
roots.
Siddhant, can you send me that question on my WhatsApp?
No, actually it's a whole topic on Pythagoras theorem. I didn't understood that. That's why I was
Because
asking square root.
this needs a proper one session, beta, to find the square root.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, because this is a chapter square and square root in grade 8.
Okay, ma'am. I'll send that out in the
Yeah. Okay.
WhatsApp.
Yes. Now, Rishit, you were asking me this question, right?
Yes, sir.
See, I'm explaining. One we found there, no? See, beta, the question was find the value of y and x.
Y and X.
So, yes, this is given 2x and this is given 5x minus 20. So, first of all, these are vertically opposite angles, beta.
Yes, sir.
2x will be equal to 5x minus 20, vertically opposite.
Yeah.
So, you can transpose this to left hand side. So, 2x minus 5x is equal to minus 20.
Yes, sir.
So, minus 3x will be equal to minus 20, right?
Yes, sir.
So, it will be 3x is equal to minus 20 by 3. So, value of x will be 20 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, here it is given. Y is not given in this question, beta.
Yeah, that's what like I got confused.
Actually, there is some printing mistake, I guess.
Okay.
I'm actually like
Ma'am?
already one sir like named Brajesh Singh sir, like he already sent the answer.
Beta,
Ma'am,
actually, there is not given any y. They have corrected it that upper one is y degree. 2y. This is
Yes,
y.
ma'am.
So now 2y will be equal to 5x minus 20 degree, right? And this one is given. What is given? 3x plus 20 degree, right? Plus 40 degree. So these are the corresponding angles. 5x minus 20 degree will be equal to 3x plus 40 degree, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Corresponding angles. So 5x minus 3x will be equal to 40 plus 20 degree, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
2x is equal to 60 degree, then value of x will be 30 degree.
30
So if
degree.
value of x is 30, then put the value of x here, then you will get value of y. Clear,
Okay.
Rishit?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can you one show vertically opposite?
And so for
Beta,
that,
when two parallel lines intersect each other, then their opposite angles are equal. That is called vertically opposite angles.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second. I want to call.
Mom, people who have noted this down can leave.
Yes, beta. Because I'm going to end the meeting, beta, because I'm having my 10th class. Write it down first. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hamza written, Rohini, Siddhant.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Thank you, ma'am.
Hamza, I will explain again. Okay? This was the doubt of Rishit.
30 I have.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta. Siddhant. Done, beta?